Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to add a domain name to Hostinger. First of all guys, I will need you to open your browser and from there guys, I will need you to go to the URL section and search for Hostinger. So here it is. Then click on the first link. So hostinger.com. Now let's wait until the website opens and here it is. So they gave hosting, VPS, email and domain names. So let's go for domain and here I will choose domain name search. Here guys what you'll have to do is simply enter the name of the domain that you want to get. So let's put for example something like that and here we go. So here I'm going to click on search and here it is the best domain available which is .com. So here you have like multiple prices. You can choose whatever you like from these, but basically I tried to buy one of these which is the cheapest one. They don't really work, so I will go with this minerva.com and I will click on add to cart. Now guys, all I'm going to do is simply log into account. So now I will choose 1 year, freedom and privacy, and here I will have to create an account. So I will just have to put here like create an account. So let me just put here an email. So here we go, and here it is. Now I will add here my credit card, some informations, and I will be right back to you guys. And here we go. So now I have successfully bought the domain and now they will ask for authentication. So I'm just going here to put my password. It's gonna be simply like pretty simple. Here we go. I will just put like a password with a symbol. So here it is. And let's change this as well. So let's make it uh, similar to the condition that they ask for and click on continue. And just like that, I have bought my first domain name. So here I can choose like the primary finish your domain registration. So I will choose the country. So here it is Morocco. Here personal, next step. Here I just have to fill my information. So here to put your phone number, like just a couple of information which are pretty simple. So let's change for this one. Here city, here we go. And here I think it's gonna be somewhere around this. And here you put the phone number and you click on finish registration. So I will just have to put these and I will be right back to you guys. Here I am guys. So the website is currently being registered. So all I need to do is wait like for a couple of seconds. It can take until a minute sometimes. But yeah, that's you're almost there. So here I will click on continue. And here it is. So the status of the domain name is active, everything is active, your security key is here, and here it is the domain name which is yours at now. So guys, that's how you can add the domain name to Hostinger. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.